Are you struggling to understand when to use neither and nor? You're not alone. These words can be tricky, but once you get the hang of them, your English will sound much more natural. In this video, watch a fun and engaging conversation between a father and his son as they break down the correct usage with simple explanations, real-life examples, and easy-to-follow tips. By the end, you'll never be confused again. Plus, stick around for a quick quiz to test what you've learned. Let's get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.
Dad, I came across neither and nor in my homework today, but I don't really understand how to use them. Can you explain? Of course. Neither and nor are used together to talk about two negative options. For example, neither John nor Sarah likes ice cream. This means John doesn't like ice cream and Sarah doesn't like it either. Son. Oh, so it's like saying not this one and not that one? Exactly. It's the opposite of either and or. When we say either or, we are choosing one of two options. You can either have tea or coffees. But when we say neither nor, we mean not this one and not that one. You can have neither tea nor coffee. No choice at all. Son, I see. So if I say neither my brother nor I want to do the dishes, it means both of us don't want to do them? Exactly. Now you're getting it. It means you don't want to do the dishes, and your brother doesn't want to either. Got it. Can neither be used alone? Yes. Neither can be used alone when talking about two things in a negative way. For example, which shirt do you like? The red one or the blue one? Neither. I don't like both. That means I don't like the red shirt and I don't like the blue one either. Son. Oh, so if someone asks me, do you want pizza or pasta, and I don't want either, I can say, neither, I'm not hungry. Exactly, that's a perfect use of neither. What about nor? Can it be used alone too? Not usually. Nor is mostly used with neither, to connect two negative things. For example, neither the teacher nor the students were happy with the test. This means the teacher was not happy, and the students were also not happy. Son. Oh, I see. So nor always follows neither when talking about two negative things? Father. Yes, but there's one more way to use nor. Sometimes nor is used after a negative sentence without neither. For example, I don't like football, nor do I enjoy basketball. This means I don't like football and I don't like basketball either. Son. Oh, so instead of saying I don't like football and I don't like basketball, I can say I don't like football nor do I enjoy basketball. Father. Exactly. That makes the sentence sound smoother and more natural. Cool. Can I try some sentences to see if I got it right? Of course. Go ahead. Okay. Neither my mom nor my dad likes watching horror movies. Father. Perfect. That means both your mom and dad don't like horror movies. Try another one. Son. Neither my best friend nor I have finished our homework. Well done. That means both of you haven't finished it. One more. All right. I don't want to go to the park, nor do I feel like staying at home. That's excellent. You've understood it very well. Now, do you see the difference between either, or, and neither nor? Yes. Either or is for choosing one from two options, and neither nor is when both options are rejected. Exactly. You've got it. Thanks, Dad. This will help me a lot in my homework and in speaking better English. You're welcome, son. Keep practicing, and soon using neither and nor will feel natural to you.